Looking for the perfect place to recollect, reflect, and recharge? Welcome to the Institute of Consecrated Life Retreat Center, a serene haven for retreats, seminars, spiritual, and other meaningful gatherings, nestled in a peaceful, natural setting. Our center offers the ideal escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're planning a spiritual retreat, leadership seminar, church event, or training session, our facilities are designed with your comfort and purpose in mind. We have available a welcoming reception area to greet you with warmth, fully air-conditioned accommodation and lodges, clean, cozy, and secure. A serene chapel for prayer, meditation, and worship. A state-of-the-art conference hall equipped with modern technology. A well-run canteen serving delicious and nourishing meals. And plenty of open space for reflection, bonding, and relaxation. Here, every corner is built to nurture connection with God, others, and yourself. Whether it's a weekend retreat or a week-long seminar, our retreat center gives you the atmosphere and tools to focus on what truly matters. Ready to host the next event and a place that inspires peace and purpose? Contact us today to book your dates at 0806 566 8015 or 0806 475 8374 or 0907 721 4109 or 081 114 3380 or visit us at the Institute of Consecrated Life in Africa, Buhari Area Council, Abuja. Experience rest, experience growth, experience community.